A smart contract. The contract name is a sum of three numbers, or sum of three. The type is unsigned input ABC. Now I want to compile this one using the IDE compiler. After compilation success, deployment using earlier I used existing virtual machines. These two virtual machines. Two virtual machines. But I want this smart contract deployed in the test network to the Sepolia Testnet. Sepolia Testnet. For that, I'm opening the MetaMask wallet. I add the account of the Sepolia network to MetaMask. Now, if you see my MetaMask account, initially after opening the MetaMask, initially we are able to use Ethereum. But in my Ethereum main network, I don't have any Ethers to execute my smart contract. That's why I'm using the Sepolia test network. In my Sepolia test network, some Ethers, some Sepolia Ethers. Now I want to connect this Sepolia network to my Remix ID. Remix ID. The purpose of connecting this Sepolia network is I want to deploy this smart contract, efficient smart contract into Sepolia blockchain testnet. And also I want to use the Sepolia ethers of my Sepolia testnet account. Now, in a Remix IDE provided one of the feature is the environment is injected provider MetaMask. Injected provider MetaMask. After selecting injected provider MetaMask, that is showing connected to the account. Connected. Here, once connected, we see the Sepolia network. The Sepolia network ID this one. Sepolia net ID this one. Network. Every ID is uniquely identify the blockchain. One ID is a network ID is there. The Sepolia test network ID is this one. 1115555. Now, you can see in my account total Sepolia ethers. You can see here Sepolia ethers. Here three addresses are there, three accounts having some ethers 0.029, 0.01, 0.01. This account 0. Once connected to the my MetaMask connected to the Ethereum IDE, Remix IDE, now I am able to see the account having 0.09. Why? Because I have selected as the first account and connected at that time one account is signed. Now, after compilation, same example. Yes, we have same smart contract addition of three numbers. Now your ID is providing Remix ID providing some AI-based help also. After writing the smart contract, you want to know the what is the functionality of this current smart contract. It will be clearly explain why we wrote that statements to better understanding. Now IDE indicated with some AI tool. Copilot funds. Copilot. You see the purpose of the first line specify the license under which code is released. SPDX software package distribution exchange license identifier is PACMA. The declaration and we need to mention the compiler version, which version. Next one here's contract name. The calculated sum is a function. Here Public is access based. Public, yeah, public. You see here, public. Next one, this is a return type. Public nothing, but you can call outside also. Here A and B is the C are the variables or state variables. Let's say that. Here type is unsigned into 256 bit. Here public nothing, can access. Next, pure means function does not read or modify the state of the variable. Function does not modify the state of variables. Next one, return is the final answer. Return the type of the variable. Now, so clearly, you sample use case also the given in the ID. The beauty of the ID is that now I'm going to compile this is code using the compiler, online compiler. After compilation, now I want to deploy. I want to deploy in the Sepolia. Just click the deploy. Deploy. Now, if you see, the ethers are detected from your smart contract. Ethers are detected from your Sepolia confirmation. Once successful, okay. Now if you see here, this is you can view the ether scan also. The scan also. Now you deployed smart contract in Sepolia Testnet. Sepolia Testnet. Sepolia Testnet. What is the purpose of this? Your transaction hash value, success, block number, timestamp, transaction, everything. Everything. You see here, this is the information about the transaction. Now, one instance is created after deploying. Now, here, initially your ethers are 0.9. Now you can see the 0.62. Here, this is contract deployed. Look here, contract deployed. When smart contract deployed in your Sepolia Testnet. Sepolia Testnet. The deployment charges also. Earlier we used transferring Sepolia Test 1 and 4. Now we deployed a smart contract in our Sepolia Testnet to fulfill our task. Our task is here, say 25, suppose 45, 55, three variables. Now the sum is calculated. The sum is calculated. The sum is calculated. Nothing but your smart contract is deployed in your Sepolia Testnet. Sepolia Testnet. And to execute your smart contract deployment purpose, the ethers are used is your Sepolia ethers test network. Sepolia test network ethers. This is one of the way you use your ethers testnet ethers Sepolia test network, deploy your smart contract into specific network here, Sepolia blockchain. Sepolia blockchain and with the help of the Sepolia ethers. With the help of the Sepolia ethers.